Welcome to this rare opportunity for an exceptional home in a coveted Bull Mountain location. It's situated just steps away from Elizabeth Price Park, Alberta Ryder Garden, and Elementary School. The gated entry invites you to this spacious home in a park-like setting, all on more than half an acre. From the dramatic entry, head inside. Discover an elegant interior with 3 fireplaces and filled with natural light. The family room opens to the oversized kitchen with a large 6-burner gas cooktop island, plenty of cabinets, double ovens, a warming drawer, pantry, chef's desk, and a sunny dining nook. From here, head to the view deck, a perfect place for gatherings or to just relax. This home of nearly 4,700 square feet is thoughtfully designed with gracious spaces for entertaining. The formal dining room with a tray ceiling opens to its own private deck. French doors lead to the main level office with built-ins. The grand foyer and staircase take you to the spacious primary suite, spanning 1,000 square feet with its own sitting area and fireplace. Unwind in the spa-like primary bath. And you'll find a large walk-in closet. Friends and family will love the spacious, light-filled bedrooms in this 5-bedroom home. A rare second staircase accesses this upper level as well. Downstairs, make memories in the large family room. And you'll find a convenient exercise room, plus another bedroom, and a full bath. Your own private oasis is just outside the door. Make s'mores by the fire pit or share stories on the slate sitting area, all in a perfectly serene setting, complete with multiple fruit trees and a tool garage. Other features include a newer 50-year roof and a 3-car garage with additional parking. A legacy home that your entire family will cherish for years to come. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Larry Burkett with Premier Property Group.